This is what I get my videos from, pexels.com. You can do the same for images. I have Pexel photos as well, and all of these photos are good quality images, everything. All these videos are in high quality, so no worries on no worries about low quality images on this site. Um, let's see. Let's play some music. And see where we can go, because I'm trying to actually get some little jamming. All right, let's see. Let's go in. All right, as you see. All right, so we got the app that I'm using for. All right, this is Skillcrush right here. This is Skillcrush. I'm like 50% completed. So this is really what it is. All right, you see the getting started, Skillcrush. This is the orientation. This pretty much takes you through everything you need to know about the whole class, etc. About the whole progress of how you get to where you need to go. For if you had any questions, etc. It's all of your stuff, your info is in the orientation. This is where you need to start. It takes you step by step in good format. Like, it takes you everywhere. Like, everything you need to know is on Skillcrush. It's like it takes you step by step to get you to that process of getting to know better programming techniques and developing techniques. So you'll get better at whatever you need to. So, and as you see down here, as you see phase 1 foundation, it shows from on the website. So yeah, you see what you get, and this is what you get. So, and then we're gonna go to phase 2. Actually, in phase 2, they have this good feature to where if you don't want to pay for, because there's additional payments that they require, but if you don't want to pay for it, you don't have to. For example, this designer course right here, you have to pay extra just for getting it, because for the Photoshop and all that other UI UX software that you get to use, you have to pay monthly for it. So I chose the other way around. Like, I wanted to do Ruby and learn more JavaScript. So it's pretty much learning full stack right here. So you got full stack Ruby, which I really can't wait to learn and master. And so, yeah, this is really what you get. And so you don't have to choose this. And so I like that you get to get this option. And so I'm just going to cancel that because I don't want to edit it. I want to keep it just like this as I got it. Introduction to JavaScript, responsive. It teaches you how to make it responsive with your website. And so, yeah, it really specialization classes. I really like this part. It gives you the variety of options that you would want to actually take on. So yeah, it's really cool. All right. As you see, phase 3 pretty much gets you down to the nitty and gritty of things, to where you're learning about how to start freelancing, how to start doing your own business, working from home or getting a job. It's taking you through all that. So yeah, and this is where it ends. So yeah, this is pretty much what all it comes down to. This part, phase 3. And let's see, my classes. See, as you see, this is all what I'm doing. This is how you go getting started. Phase 2, and phase 2 being the middle is the longest. So yeah, phase 3 being the shortest because it's what you need to know in order to get started. So they're going to teach you all of it, and it only costs $150. If I were to recommend anything, I would recommend Skillcrush because it's only $150 a month. Almost even Team Treehouse. Team Treehouse did not teach me as much in detail like Skillcrush did. Skillcrush taught it in a different way, because in a way to where I understand better, and I'm actually writing down notes. Like I understand better, etc. And I like that. I like that I understand better. Like that's really good to me. And because Team Treehouse, what they do have a good. I did learn HTML and CSS from there. I'm not even gonna lie, I did. But the thing is, it's different from how they taught it. It's different because how they teach it on here, they show you the wrong way and the right way. They teach you the from the wrong way and right way, like I said, and they teach you the basics of it and what it does, what it means. Team Treehouse does too, but I feel that they go too fast with it to where you get off guard and you just have to pause too much. But with Skillcrush, they tell you everything in detail of what you need to know. They tell you what each symbol mean. They go in so much detail. You just can't. It's like crazy. And for the price of versus Team Treehouse is. Let's actually check it out right now. All right. So we're gonna check out Team Treehouse, and I'm gonna show you the price difference. I think it's like $200 per month. So I mean, I would recommend Team Treehouse, but not the tech degree. Because the tech degree is really good to get, but for the price that you're getting out of Skillcrush, is more than what you get out of Team Treehouse. Because Team Treehouse, I don't think they have one-on-one mentoring. They may do have a community. I think they do have a community in Slack. Almost every last one of these programs have community in Slack. So we're gonna see. Let's see. We're gonna let's see tech degree. Well, better yet, yeah. Let's go back to Google. I'm gonna go back to Google. All right, let's do tech degree house. All right. Now let's see what it really offers. It's $200. It's really good, but I prefer Skillcrush. There's a lot of reasons, and I will explain them in a minute. See, start your free trial. They'll give you a 7-day week free trial. That's really cool. Get started with the tech degree. See what they have: Python, web development, iOS with Swift, full stack JavaScript. See, they have some pretty good classes. I'm not even gonna lie, they really do. But you can still get all of that with Skillcrush. Like not all of it, but because like I don't think Python is in there nor iOS. But if you really want to learn it, then I would recommend coming here. Coming here, I know of another site called Open Classrooms. Open Classroom, you have Udacity, but Open Classrooms is pretty much out there in the European, France and stuff. Let me go and show you Open Classrooms. Open Classrooms is the highest so far. So with Skillcrush being the cheapest, and you get a whole lot of what you put in, like for what you put in, like a whole lot more than what you put in, it's really worth it. I'm telling you, it's really worth it. So here we are. We have Open Classrooms here. Open Classrooms is $300 per month. Actually, do I think it's worth it? Yes, because Open Classrooms actually has to where you can get like a bachelor's level diploma. Bachelor's level diploma. You might not believe it, but believe it, and it can be accredited because you're getting the skills of on hand, like first job, like first hand job skills. So you're pretty much already getting everything you need in the workplace on here in this whole program. It takes like up to like a year, and you're just paying $300 per month. And I say whatever you put in, you get out of it. Trust me. With Open Classrooms, I'm gonna show you the paths. This is where it's at because they have a whole lot of different paths. They have design, developer, and I think I forgot the last one. I think it's like project. They have 3 different paths. So product, that was it. Design, development, and product. See, front end developer, Ruby developer. They got it all above. Whatever you're looking for, they have it right here. For full stack, you have to start from front end or Ruby and UX design. You start there, and they don't acquire no additional cost. So if you were to do UX designer, you have no additional cost for what you put in. Whatever you paid $300, that pays for everything. There's no additional cost whatsoever. And yeah, I find that really cool. And so this Java developer is not out for us yet. It's already out at other states and countries. And so it's not out for us yet. So product manager is like the highest right here, because some of these are 500. I'm not even gonna lie. The master's level diploma are 500. Whatever you see master's level diploma is, those are all 500. The bachelor's level diploma is 300. So what else do I have? Let's go to Udacity. You probably heard of it. They have a nano degree. That's what it's called. Nano degree programs. I think these are called. I think these cost about 200. I forgot. I haven't. I haven't done these. Like I haven't. To be honest, I really haven't even done Udacity. I never messed with it. I started from Team Treehouse. To be honest, I started from Team Treehouse. It's really good. If you're whatever you're looking for, Team Treehouse can't teach it, but it's on the. I just didn't like the fact that they didn't teach it to where it's like from scratch. They would teach you it, you would learn it, but it would be already in a certain software editor. It would already be other code that you don't even know already in that section. Like I just wish they could have just put it just what they're teaching on the text editor and code it out just by itself to where. But they show examples of what it do. I like that. They show examples. They give examples. But yeah, we're talking about Udacity now. So we have Udacity, Intro to Self-Driving Cars Business. That Udacity has a lot. It has a lot. I'm not gonna lie. I've never done anything with them, but hey, it has a lot to give. So hey, you can learn a lot from here. So they even have free classes. So these are all the nano degrees that you can take, which are more than Skillcrush and Team Treehouse put together. So I mean, as you see right here, you got front end, full stack, Android basics. You has everything you need, and you can even become an Android developer over here. Like everything you need is all right here. So we have Udacity. What's another one? Okay, we went through Skillcrush. We went through Team Treehouse. We have Udacity. We have Code Academy. A lot of people say Code Academy. Code Academy, yeah. All right. All right. Code Academy. I haven't really messed too much with Code Academy, but it's pretty awesome because hey, you get to do everything you like need to do on the side. It's just like what it shows right now. Like over here, you would have it. This is how the courses are set up actually, to where it's set up just like this over here. And so whatever you put over here would go over here on this web page. So on this blank website. So if you were to type out some HTML over here, it would go out and output instantly. So yeah, I find that pretty cool to where you learn and then as you're learning, you actually doing it. So yeah, that's pretty cool that's the biggest thing I like about Code Academy. And off the top of my head, I know of a lot of schools, but they cost like like a lot more monthly. I know of Thinkful. Thinkful is like a coding boot camp. Thinkful is a coding boot camp that I know of. See, Thinkful. I was gonna go in Thinkful. I really was. I was gonna go here, but I just didn't. I don't know. I don't know why not, but I just didn't. So Let's see what they got. See, as you see, they got engineering, immersion, full stack flex, front end basics. Some of them are self paced and they job guarantee, stuff like that. So as you see, it says an intensive, rigorous, and a structured course guaranteed to get you a job in tech. A flexible program designed around your schedule, guaranteed to get you a job in tech. A flexible and customizable program guaranteed to get you a job in data science. There you go. And as you see, increase as reported by students 1%, 82% placed full-time devs. All right. See, they have some good stuff, but the prices, you have to actually go through it. I think because I think they have no tuition until you're hired on. So yeah, this is really cool. I like these, but yeah, see, once you're hired on, at least to a job that's landing more than 40,000 a year. So no tuition for this one. You just sign up, and they'll even test you to see where you're at and stuff like that. So yeah, here we go. Every single detail. And these are all the websites that I know of. I know of a lot more, but yeah, I'm still with Skillcrush. I'm still with Skillcrush. Skillcrush is pretty awesome, really cool. They have this section called Master Classes, to where you you learn pretty much all what you need to know about getting into different things as far as business, anything, you name it. Say, for example, like this, introductions to R. See, introduction. They have introductions to Python. They have it on here. They have everything you need. Intro to freelancing, digital map making. Oh my gosh, it's like stuff I haven't even heard of before. Prepping your portfolio. It teaches you all this stuff. Like you're getting all of this in one for 150, bro. 150. You can't even go wrong there. Financially free freelancer with Whitney. All right. Developing your personal brand. I mean, launching your own company. Whoa. Now that's big. Like, this is not little stuff that you get from these other websites that you're paying so much more. Like, you don't get that in those, man. Like, this is why. Intro to responsive web design. A day in the life of a product manager. It'll tell you everything you need to know. Technical interviews, man. It even goes to interviews, like, to tell you about it. Master class, project management. How I built my very first portfolio. It teaches you that. Intro to SAS. Whoa, big one. CSS. Intro to Sketch. Product design, how to break into tech with Rebecca. Oh my gosh. It teaches you all this stuff, how to do it, how to get started, transforming your static site into Rails web application. I'm going to look up on that one. Oh my gosh. Everything you need to know is here, obviously. So yeah, this is it. Like, this is it. This is all you need. Skillcrush for starting at $150 per month. You can't go wrong. And I'm gonna show you this too after this. See, a live 30-minute group video call. You get to choose it whenever you want about any subject that you're on. You get to choose it what to talk about, like any time of their opening hours, or if they're not even open, you still have Slack over here. You still have their Slack to go to, which is right there. I have the app open. It's really cool. And what I was going to show you was this right here. Let me see. All right. When we get to this page, watch this. This is like really cool. They already give you what you need. Because first of all, look at this. Resources and downloads. I just came here, and resources and downloads give you everything you need to know about this whole program. Look at this. They even give you links to different websites, etc. And look, they even give you cheat sheets. I mean, these cheat sheets pretty much go in detail about what it does. And they'll even have a code have a little small code editor box of the inside of everything that goes on inside the classes. They have downloads to where you can have it at the tip of your hands. Like, you have it all there on just in your folders. You just have to open it up, click it, and open it up. This is all. Look, you get all this stuff, man. All of it. Everything you learn, I recommend come here and download everything, because everything is what you need to know. Everything is what you need to get started, pretty much. See, everything you see, it's all what you get, and I really recommend it. So yeah, and this is for every single lesson, every single class, like HTML and CSS, JavaScript, every single thing. So you don't go wrong. Like GitHub, I haven't even started with this, but look, see, resources and downloads. It gets you started. Everything you need. Class downloads, cheat sheets. You have it. You have it all here. Everything you need, man. They do not do this. Please tell me, for the price of another company, what other company does this? Really? That's at the same price as Skillcrush. $150 per month, cheaper than everything I've showcased. Cheaper than that. Because I think Udacity, if I remember right, it was like $500 per month. I'd have to go check, but yeah, it's really nice people, nice community. The Slack, they really help you out. Any questions, they will get back to you no less than an hour or two. Man, it's really cool. It's really cool. Like, you have help right there. You have no excuse. You get to always contact an instructor, ask them a question. You get to even press this. This is that. What can I help you with? Okay, I have a question on the code. Like, you can type in anything, and somebody will get back to you in email instantly, like almost instantly. It's really fast and that helpful. That's how helpful they are. So yeah, and this is the orientation that I finished. So it tells you everything that you need. Like, see, as I said, everywhere you need to go, you have it here. Like, everywhere it teaches you everything you need to do. See, the tips for success, they give you everything, the nitty and gritty of what to do and how to do it, how to get there if you need help. So yeah, you won't be stuck. If you get stuck, you always more than welcome to ask them questions, no matter what. It's really up to you. And yeah, just put yourself to it. It gets simple whenever you begin to go into it, go deep into it. What I've showed is my code. This is what I have for HTML right here. I typed this all out. I typed out everything in detail of what it does. And so as you see, the paragraph, the header tags, I typed out the description for it, strong tags, bold, BR tags. It breaks the line and put it on the next line. Put the text after it on the next line. All right, span tag, that pretty much styles the selected text. All right, we have the UL and the OL, which is ordered list and unordered list. And so the ordered list is with the numbers, and the unordered list is with dots. It's dotted. So yeah, I pretty much put everything in detail right here. It's really cool. And yeah, this is what Skillcrush has taught me. Like, this is what Skillcrush will have you doing. Like, right here, this is what you see. As you see how it's in detail right here, like all around here, this is how Skillcrush teaches you. This is really how they teach you. And especially with those downloads, you just go through there and read them. You can even write notes and copy them down. Skillcrush has it all. They go in so much detail. They tell you how to do it spot on and what it does, everything you need to know. So yeah, for my recommendation, I say Skillcrush for the win. Skillcrush is where it's at. And yeah, thank you very much.